Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. If you're interested, then please keep watching. The Sephora haul is compliments of my husband via Christmas gifts, so let's just get right into it. So this is a heavy bag. It was a bigger bag than this, so it was like two separate bags. But anyway, so the first item in the Sephora haul is the Tatcha water cream, and the Tatcha the matcha cleanse. So it's a clarifying cleanse and hydrate. It is or was $29, and so here it is right here. I've tried these before and I really liked it. I'm not too keen on the full size prices, so I can travel with this, so I asked for travel sizes for just, you know, when I travel. So there's that. Oh, and then this right here. So this is the Jo Malone Hinoki and Cedarwood cologne. So it's a cologne, but I feel like at the store they said that all of their scents are unisex, Jo Malone. And I'm gonna open it really quickly. And so yes. So I think that there are wonderful benefits. It smells, it's a bit masculine, but I love the scent of cedarwood. And so I'm gonna look up what cedarwood is, but on the back it says it's a woody, I like a woody fragrance. So a distinctive woody scent inspired by forest bathing among Hinoko trees in the Japanese wilderness. Distinctive, immersive, intensely fresh. The top note is aromatic, clean accord. The heart is hinoki wood and the base is cedar wood. And so, really quickly, I'm gonna look up the benefits of cedar wood, because cedar wood and sandalwood have recently been my favorite fragrances as of late. And so cedarwood holds calming and grounding properties for both the mind and the body. Yeah, so that's the benefits of cedarwood. So that's why I like it. The next, let's see. My husband bought me this because I like Tatcha so much. And this is the Tatcha Mini Favorites. And so I did get a double of the matcha cleanse and the water cream, which is good because I've already tried those. But then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 more. And so the rice wash, the dewy skin cream, the Camille cleansing oil, which I wanted to get into cleansing oils, but I'm afraid because my skin is so sensitive. But and then the essence. So I'm not sure what the essence is. The essence is a plumping skin softener, Japanese superfoods with essential amino acids that improve skin texture and helps amplify the performance of your skincare. Pour palmful onto hands and press gently into the skin on your face or your neck. So yeah, and everything else is kind of self-explanatory, but this was $70 and it comes with a cute pouch. The next product, hair related, is the Fenty Hair the Curl Crew. So it's the Comeback Kid, which is an instant damage repair treatment, and then the Home Curl, which is a curl defining cream, and their travel size as well. So I'm excited for this. look out for my more hair content reviewing this, a first impression of this. So if you have not already, please be sure to click the subscribe button, the like button, the thumbs up button, save this video, share this video. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of good content this year. And then something that I'm so excited about, I'm excited about all of these, right? But I'm excited about this. This is the Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy Reparative Mask. Strengthens and repairs for damaged or color treated hair. I'm ecstatic about this. And this was probably a pretty penny. I'll leave the price on the screen, but yes, sis bro, yes. I cannot wait for this as well. And then I love these. So these are the Fenty Skin Fruit Quenchers Hydrating and Strengthening Lip Oil Trio. So it comes in Kalahari Melon, Barbados Cherry, and Passion Fruit. So I've tried the melon and the passion, I've tried the melon and the cherry before and loved them. They were in like a duo, but my husband got the trio so I can try the passion fruit, but I love these. Love. I'm a lip gloss girl, or a tinted lip gloss girl, not very much a lipstick girly, or woman. I'm a woman. I don't know why. I've just always loved a good lip gloss. I don't know. Maybe it's the youth in me. However, I do have a couple of lipsticks here and there. And then I did purchase a Fenty lipstick back in the day. But yeah, needless to say, it's still full. And then this right here is the MICHE Player Strength Repair Routine Set. So these are full size. The Cure, which is a bond repair shampoo, the Cure bond repair conditioner, and the Cure Intense Bond Repair mask. So I don't know, I just want to make sure that since I'm doing some heat styling, blow dry styling, which is not a ton of heat, but I want to get into like wand curls and things of that nature. So this is a great gift. I don't think that I was expecting this, but I'm so excited. MICHE, I've never tried MICHE before, and so I'm excited about it. And then last but not least, the Dermalogica, which I absolutely love, their daily micro exfoliant. So this is the Discover Healthy Skin, the best sellers of Dermalogica. And so you have the special cleansing gel, the pre-cleanse, the skin smoothing cream, and the daily exfoliant. And so I already have a daily exfoliant. I've purchased this probably like 3 or 4 times, maybe 2 or 3 times. So this is my 4th one. But I haven't tried the other items, and this was $39.50. So I think that is great. I think that it's great to have a hack to try multiple things and not like break the bank, is to try the travel size. So I didn't want, you know, my husband to get the full sizes of anything because I don't know if I like certain things. And so this is a way to try it. And also you can travel with them. So that's an added bonus. And I don't think I mentioned this MICHE, it was a $69, but a $98 value. So I'm excited. I got the full size of these. I think he got the full size of the hair stuff because he knows that I always wanted this, like I talk about this. And then the MICHE is just a new brand that, why not try the full size, right? So yeah, if you like this video, please again, like, comment, share, subscribe, and Happy New Year. One more again, Happy New Year. January. Let's get it. All the love, blessings, peace, prosperity in the new year for you and your family and everybody attached to you. And peace out.